Well then guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've got a very special car, as you might be able to see behind me, at the studio for our Wax is Dead Ultra 2-year ceramic coating package. We've skipped the decontamination stage on this vehicle, so let's go on with the machine polish and then we can seal that in with our Wax is Dead coating. If you're unsubscribed to the channel already, make sure to go ahead and do so. Click that bell icon to be notified when we next upload, and let's get on with the video. Right then, so before we start working on the car, I'm just going to show you some of the imperfections that are on this before we start our paint correction. So even though this has been freshly painted, it is expected that there are going to be some minor imperfections on there, which is what you can see here. So these are just the light marring marks, and like I say, it is expected from a body shop as they don't go into as much detail as we do here at the studio. But now I've showed you what we're working with, let's go ahead and get this corrected. Right then, so Toby started off with a test patch on the roof with a Roops yellow compound. However, it's not cutting enough, so we've needed to change the compound up, and then we're going to attack it again with the Jaguar's D300. So let's go ahead, attack it with some Jaguar's D300, and then let's see if that does the job. Right then, so if you've not figured it out yet, we're actually working on this gorgeous Jaguar MK2. So these are around from the late 50s to early 60s. So for a 60-something year old car, it's looking very good. So it's just had its full respray, and now it's our turn to get the paintwork looking as good as new. So half the car has now been cut. So I'll show you on this rear boot lid kind of thing. You will see all of those minor marring marks have gone. However, on this side, it is not looking as good. So, like I say, we've cut it all now, and it's now time to refine the paintwork. Well then guys, so Toby's been making some very good progress on this gorgeous Jaguar MK2. So for a nearly 60-year-old car, it's looking a lot better. So this had a full restoration by the company who brought it to us, and then it's our turn to to get the paintwork looking at showroom standards. So at the moment, all of the paintwork has been refined to remove those imperfections, and then we've also started refining it to reveal that stunning gloss level. So if I show you now, look how good the quality of this paint is now. So it is literally looking like a mirror, and that's exactly where we need to be on this. So like I say, the majority of it is now done. So it's now time to seal that in with our Wax is Dead Ultra 2-year ceramic coating. So then that's all of the paintwork now protected with our Wax is Dead Ultra 2-year ceramic coating package. We're not doing anything to the wheels on this car as they still need to be finished by the body shop. However, that's our job now complete. So let's show you the finished result. Right then guys, so that's this week's video now complete on this Jaguar MK2, which is nearly 60 years old, and look how good the paintwork is looking. So that's our job now complete. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, let us know what you'd like to see in the comment section down below. We've got so much coming in the future, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.